Today we have a different show, and today we're gonna know how to do something. So I've come across a lot of message from people. They're telling me to teach them how to open up a YouTube channel for their own use. I don't know, others they want for the business and others they want for the home use. So I'm gonna get all the videos together. So I have two videos. One is to know how to open the YouTube channel from the scratch to the dashboard. Then the next video will be how to set up the YouTube channel to get ready inside for the normal use. Be ready for that. I'm here to you. But before we continue, you have to know by yourself or from yourself or from your mind to know that how am I going to open this YouTube channel and why? Why are you opening up this YouTube channel? Do you want it for the business use or for home use, for fun, for looking for friends? Look, there's so many things you have to learn about. People are opening up YouTube channel in the different ways. Others open for making money. Like me, I'm doing it for making money. So you have to ask yourself. So if you get the answer, then you're ready to open up the YouTube channel. So let's get with this step by step. You learn how to open a YouTube channel. This is very amazing. It's very amazing. Don't forget it. Don't miss it. Call all your friends. Let them sit down. We learn how to open the YouTube channel. So stay tuned. I'm coming back.
You have to open up a Gmail account or Google account. This works with YouTube. I think it's 95% or 100%. I cannot say that because they own a lot of percentage with YouTube channel. They connect together. So what you can do here, you just create your YouTube channel, the email address first. So you can create your Gmail account for yourself or to manage the business. So to manage the business or for yourself. For yourself, it means you have to be like you own your thing by yourself. A lot of people who are very private, they don't like to share anything, and I don't know why you open YouTube for that. Maybe to watch some videos or music. People want to watch music, they don't want to be creators or what, just for entertainment. Then I prefer you to open this if you're very private, like German people. I have a lot of friends, they are very private. So but if you want a business one to earn money and to earn everything and to generate things, to make videos, to connect with people, to be passionate, to do all of it, then I recommend you to go to manage my business so that you can get later managers to manage your page. Because if you're busy, then other people, they can help you out to do other things on you, and it looks that you're serious, that you know what you want on YouTube. So you click that, then you go here, you can put any other name, or you can type like Bolola, go, then you say here Mark Marson, or the Mac is not a name. Otherwise, these people, they recognize names. If you just put Mac, they know there's no any name called Mac. So be serious when you're creating a new account, and you're going to use it with YouTube. You don't go with fake accounts with people they have on like in Facebook. I don't understand why Facebook allows fake accounts, but many people, they have fake accounts. You can find the name, you've never even heard about it. So you have to, when you want to open up the YouTube account, you have to be really original, because they're gonna pay you on your own account. So it has to connect with all your accounts, which are really real accounts. Yeah, so you can create a password and then you can say next. Yes, so that's where we are right now. So if you've opened your Google account or Gmail account, this is how it shows you that welcome. the simple smart secure. Then you can read what they want here. This one's not important for you, so maybe you want to use the email again, or you have it already. So that's how we're gonna use to go to the YouTube. So this is the system. You've already opened up your Gmail account. Then you can go. Now we're heading to know how you can go to YouTube and use the same account to connect to the YouTube. Thank you so much. Then stay tuned. Then we go forward. We say next. Then this is your Google account. So this is how it looks for the people who want to open Google account. That's how it looks. So you have nothing, you have just welcome word. They show you the system, how it goes, the rules, and what, how you're going to use the megabytes you're going to use, what does it connect with, Google Map, what, everything, calendar, what, the TikTok, TikTok, everything, you know. Everything is here with the Gmail account. I love Gmail account. I had the YouTube account, I had Yahoo, but that is old but so we can go forward and I show you another thing, how we're gonna go to YouTube channel and we create the channel. Yes, then you go on. Then you open up your Google account. Then after open up your Google account, that means now we have another step, because this one, all things which you're doing on YouTube, it goes into Google. And this is a Google account. Gmail account is where you get adverts, you get a lot of things which happens here. So it's like you have two accounts. This one leads you to here, and this one and this YouTube leads you to Gmail. So they connect to each other. Payments, people will leave the payments in Gmail on the Google account, and this one is a place for working. So you work here and you get paid here, but not on your Gmail account. Please don't quote me wrong. Yes, I will teach you how to open up these Google ads. How you can go there for the Google ads when you're really recommended that now we want you to pay you. So it's like that. So let's get back, then I show you right the next step. So after you open up your Google account, what you can do right now, you just go here and type youtube.com. Then it comes here. This is other people's content. I think you see mostly people who are very, very viewable, and they have a lot of they connect with a lot of people. Most famous people, I think it's 2 million, 23 million. So also your content, when you're good, after opening this, after 1 year, then your content also will appear like this. If you open by chance, it comes like your content will come in front of the page. So you can see now, you can see the content here. There's a trending subscription when you subscribe to other channel, trending things are trending, and then your library, if people will find it here, what you save in your library, your history, when you anything you've just watched on YouTube, it comes here, and other things. So what you can do, you just click here, then you say sign, then you say your email, then password. After entering your password, then it goes direct here. Then it shows you other content. The same content, sometimes it depends, it changes. So here you think it has changed. The video you have liked, watched, the video you've watched, everything comes here. So it reminds you also what you did yesterday, where you ended. Maybe you want to check again or what. So it's very good. I like what the YouTube is doing, or what it shows us. It's very nice. So what you do, we haven't created yet, we are just signed with Gmail. What you see here is Gmail account. Yeah, it's still signed, but you've never subscribed, or you've never signed with the channel. You've never created a channel. That's what I mean. So what you see here, you click what's your photo is, where is, then you can see the other things here: paid, create the channel, YouTube Studio, switch when you have two accounts, here language, where you from, where you're signing from, settings, and your data in YouTube, like that. Yeah, keyboard, you can change everything. You can change also from dark to YouTube. It can look like that. For me, I don't like it. I just like the white one. So yeah, like that. So now here we go back to create the channel. Then it shows you the background. You create the channel begins right now. You can say no thanks, but what our aim is to know how to create the YouTube channel. So you can get started. So here it tells you you want to start your YouTube channel by selecting the option. You agree the terms and what. So here is your custom name, and here is your name. So what you want to do right now, I don't want to create the custom name, but sometimes when you want, it's very good to open your account with a custom name, so that you can know that, okay, I have a YouTube channel and I have my brand name I want to use here. So you can do that, but let's go with this first, and then we know what's next. So you click next, then it goes back to nice welcome to your Google Map you've been created. So you can upload your photo, I don't know, in the desktop, like that. Then here you tell yourself description. This one is very, very, very important. You have to write your description. What are you going to do on YouTube? And this is where it's very important terms here. And what you write here is what the YouTube people gonna send everything to you, or you're gonna see everything, or when you have uploaded your video, where it goes, and you'll see the result. So what you write here is very important, and all people who are gonna view your video, they're gonna like all what you have written here. It means that you're serious, and it takes you to the main point that you've come here to make a business, and welcome for you. So if you have a website, you can write like me. I have my website. I can say www.shanimax.de. Then yeah, so you can do like that. Yeah, so it's very nice. If you connect like this social media, then if you save them, it means when you upload the video, this all content comes after, then you can just connect it, or you can just I don't know how I will show you later. You can write, but what you write here, it tells you who are you. So you have to be so much active, creative of creating this description channel. This is what it tells you. What are you here, what you're gonna do, and it's very good to do description according to what you want to do on YouTube, so people they can understand you, that Shani is doing comedy, and all what you're gonna write here, it tells you who are you and what you do, so you don't disorganize people they get confused. So it's better to write all what you do here, and people they connect with you. They know that Shani does comedy, he does graphic design, he does lyrics editing, he does video editing. So anything comes between this, that's him. So it's very important, and we can save it, and then we go to the next page. Then here they say you have already upload, so you are ready to upload your video. But this one doesn't mean that you have to upload right now. So you have to do some setting first, because your YouTube channel, it looks so very, it looks dead. So you have to program yourself. Then you come here, you upload the picture, you customize the picture how you want it. Then you can set the picture. Then it comes already, it's here. So that's just very, very important to generate your profile. So you can also come into your profile and add some things here, like about you, what you do, and everything. That is very important also. So you can go to Google account. Then when you refresh the page, then your picture comes here, and then you have to. So after creating this, then this one will come later. You can go and then you design, or you can put some other pictures which you like later. You can put the background, like how I uploaded this one. That's how you have to do also for this background thing, to show your profession. You can type the name, or you have the business, you can type the business logo or what. So it comes here, it looks very nice. You don't have to leave it plain like this. You have to do it the way it has to be done, so that you can be really, really seen on YouTube. But remain with me. I will always record many things to show you how things go.
So that was the video. I think you learned how to do and how to create and some a little bit of settings. So don't miss the next step. Next step, it's the video comes out tomorrow, to know how to set the whole settings from the beginning. So don't get amazed for tomorrow. It's gonna be interesting for the beginners to know how to set this thing. So when you like my video, I just want you to subscribe down there. Subscribe down there, click the bell, and like my video, comment, tell me what I've done, how I did my video. If it's good, please, you just say, oh, it was awesome. That gives me a lot of energy. I just say, wow, Shani, I had to really fight for this. So do that, then I will help you out. So if you want to help, just contact me direct to my Facebook channel, my Twitter, my what. I have all my website. Also, I have my dashboard where you can contact me. Then I can help you out. So I'm there for you guys. I love you, my followers. Don't give up. I'm here for you. I'm gonna give you a random videos. So stay tuned. See you in the next video to see how you're gonna set your YouTube channel from scratch. I love you so much. Ciao.